Alright, I I am bored. Uh, don't really know what to do. It's what 2:28 in the morning here in Guam. It's actually where I'm currently stationed. Um, yeah, and gonna wait for a friend ish. But in the meantime, I think I'll just kill time, make a video. I was on YouTube searching random videos about languages, and I thought, why not? I'll teach you how to count Cebuano. Well, I guess I'll just give you a brief introduction of the language. it Cebuano is an Austronesian language spoken in the Philippines. I speak it. Um, a lot of languages spoken in the Philippines, they're not dialects, regardless what people say. Uh, Particularly you Filipinos out there, because I'm one too. Um, yeah. So Cebuano is a language spoken in the Visayas region, and also most of Mindanao as a lingua franca. Um, what else can I say about it? Yeah, um, it's it's. I thought it was a really unique language in its own way. Uh, I know recently a lot of people want to learn it for open travel. I mean, I know there are Filipinos out there too who probably married to a Filipino, and that Filipino probably speaks Cebuano. It's also known as Bisaya, but that can also be misleading because there are there are many different types of Visayan languages. Visayan with a V as in Victor. Some Visayan languages include Hiligaynon, which other people know it as Ilonggo. Puyonon is one that's spoken in Palawan and the Puyo Islands. Waray, that's another common one. Yeah, Cebuano is another one too, and there's plenty more. Kinaraya, you've got a lot more. Maspateño, so many, so many. Butuanon, I think. Surigaunon. Okay. Well, anyway, I am gonna teach you how to count in Cebuano, and maybe some other stuff, depending on if I have time or how I feel. Or maybe the alphabet. Maybe I should start with that first. I don't know. But regardless, I'll teach you something. Okay. So let's learn how to count. Actually, in Cebuano, we have two different ways of counting things. Um, we have a native way, and we also have a Spanish-derived way, and it just depends on uh, what the situation is that you'll have to use one or the other. Normally, when we're dealing with time, such as obviously time on a clock or calendar dates, that kind of time, we go by the Spanish-derived concept. I guess because the Spanish introduced the concept of their time. And the native way, we use that for counting pieces of the measure words. Measure words. Yeah, I like that. Measure words. Counting pieces. And yeah. So we'll start off with 0, obviously. Um, I think 0. Right. 0 is sero. 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 Right? But if there's nothing, I mean, if there's nothing, we probably will just say wala. Wala, which means nothing or none. Wala. That's wala. Alright, so 1. going on the native way is usa, usa, usa. 2 is duha, duha, duha. 3 is tulo, tulo, tulo. 4 is upat, upat. 5 is that common word lima, lima. It's also 5 in many other Austronesian languages. Or lima, if you're going to go to some other Austronesian languages. 6 is unom, unom. 7 is pito, pito, pito. 8 is walo, walo, walo. 9 is siyam, 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 siyam. And 10 is napulo, napulo. I'll write it down at the description somewhere so you can follow along, I guess. Or replay this video and watch me pronounce it like a silly person. Yeah, just 1 to 10. I think I'll make that quick. 1 to 10. Well, I guess that's it. I mean, I could teach you the Spanish way too, which is pretty much sero, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nwebe, diez. Yeah, it's just a different accent, a harder accent. But yeah, I think that's it. I might make another video if I'm bored later today, or maybe in a few more minutes. Who knows? Okay. Adios.